It's time to fake some high-end decor pieces for your home. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Guys, so excited for today's video because we're going to be doing some really high-end decor pieces to fake those very expensive brands that you can find at stores. But I'm going to do everything on a budget today. I'm going to be using Dollar Tree supplies. I'm going to use things that I have in my home and in my backyard. This video is gonna be so much fun and I hope that you like it. If you do, a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed, and guys, I hope that you are ready because I am. Let's do it together.
Okay, this project is super cool. First, you're going to need some bamboo skewers that you can get at Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to be using these pistachios shells that you can also get at Dollar Tree. You can grab a bag, eat the pistachios, and then you can wash and dry the shells of those pistachios because that's what you are going to need for this project, and it's so much fun. What you want to do is add some hot glue on the bamboo skewers and then start adding or sticking all of those pistachios shells on the bamboo skewers, and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to create like a pattern basically because I want these to look as wreaths or something like that. This is going to be like a bigger version, but it's going to look beautiful. It's the perfect tone and color. I'm going to be adding hot glue and start sticking 2 by 2 of these pistachio shells, creating that pattern and make it look like a wreath. You can do as many as you want. I use a bag of pistachios and this is how much I was able to make, and I really love this project. I love how they turned out. I think this DIY is perfect for spring and also for the fall season. Now I'm going to show you a super cool hack that I love to do. I'm going to grab a rubber band and I'm going to put all of the bamboo skewers together, and then I'm gonna try to put all of my bamboo skewers, or basically like my weights, in different levels to make the perfect arrangement. Once they look something like this and I like how they look, I'm going to go and get a vase. I have this beautiful vase at home. It's pretty big, but I want to put all of the bamboo skewers inside, so that's why I put a rubber band. That is going to help me to keep my arrangement a little bit higher and bigger on my vase. Guys, this is how the project turned out. I hope that you like them. Super cool idea that you have to try. You can do so many things with those pistachio shells. For this project, you are going to need some dry branches. You can go to your backyard, grab some of this, remove all of the leaves that they have, and then that's what you're going to need for this project. Super easy and on a budget. If you want, you can leave the natural color of the branch, but I decided just to make it pop out a little bit more. I'm going to be using some Rivoli chalk paint in a black color, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint my branches with one coat, and then I'm going to let them dry. You can paint your branches any color you like. I love the neutrals. I love the black accents in my house, so that's why I'm painting my branches in black color. Once they're dried, this is how they look. Beautiful, very high end. That's what I'm looking for. Now I'm going to go ahead and look for a canvas frame. I have this really big one. You can use one from Dollar Tree. It depends on how big are the branches that you are using. My branches are pretty big, so I use one of the canvas that you can get from Five Below. I stain all of the wood, and then I'm going to use that to stick my branches in. I'm going to make the perfect, beautiful, high-end wall decor piece for my house using these branches. This one is pretty big, so I'm going to cut a little bit of that, and then I'm going to stick everything using hot glue because it's gonna dry super fast. But guys, I highly recommend you to use wooden glue for this project. first, I'm going to stick my pieces of branch inside of that wood frame, and then if your branches are pretty large or big, you can cut them or you can leave them like I did. This is going to add that extra touch and it's going to add that 3D effect. And yeah, this is how the project turned out. It's super easy to do. You can add more branches if you want. You can maybe add some leaves too if you want this for fall. Just add some fall leaves there. This is how the project turned out and I absolutely love it. For this next project, you want to go to Dollar Tree and grab these foam balls that you can get at the floral section. They have them in different sizes. And for this project, I'm also going to be using like these drawing pins. This is how I call them. And they come in so many different colors, like this gold one, silver, rose gold, copper colors, so many colors that you can choose from. And for this project, I'm going to be using these gold ones that I found. And basically what you need to do is to insert those drawing pins inside of that foam ball. Super easy. This is going to take you a little bit of time depending on how big is your foam ball, but it's so much fun and extremely easy to make. You can maybe add hot glue too to make sure that they're going to stick very well on that foam ball, but it's not necessary. This is going to work just fine. One bag of these drawing pins give me enough for like the half of the ball, so I use another package to completely cover the first bigger ball that I have for this project. Now I decided to make some other ones because I love how it turned out, so I'm going to use another foam ball. It's a little bit smaller and I'm also going to cover that with those drawing pins in gold color. You can keep going with this project. I found some more of these drawing pins in this silver color at home and I cannot stop making these accent ball pieces for my home, so I decided to grab another foam balls a little bit smaller and add the silver drawing pins on them. And this is how the project turned out. You can use these to decorate an entry table, maybe add them to a bowl or something like that, and this is going to pop out really good. Drawing pins comes in so many colors, so you have many things that you can do with them. Okay guys, for the next project, I'm gonna use this beautiful sign that I have at home. I have it for a very long time. I'm not using it right now, so I'm going to remove all of that stickers or decals that I have that I made with my Cricut. I'm just going to remove that to be able to reuse this sign. You can use maybe a photo frame in an oval shape. I think that is pretty easy to find, maybe at Dollar Tree, maybe at a thrift store, or you can simply use a sign from Dollar Tree. Once my project look like this, I'm gonna start adding some flowers. I want to make kind of like a wreath out of this sign, so I'm going to use a small piece of ribbon and I'm going to start sticking these beautiful flowers that I found at Dollar Tree. I love the color. I think it's perfect for fall. So I decided to grab 4 of these and I'm going to stick them on that piece of ribbon. The piece of ribbon is basically just to make my project a little bit easier, to make sure that all of my flowers and things that I'm using for the wreath are going to stay in this ribbon and I'm not going to add any damage to my sign, so maybe I can reuse it later. Guys, in this part you can go ahead and be very creative. You can add flowers, foliage and things that you like. to create a very unique high-end wreath for your home. So that's what I'm going to do. I was looking on my storage bin for all of my fall foliage, and I just grabbed the ones that I think are going to look good together, and I just start adding all of them in this wreath. I'm also going to add some fall foliage or leaves that you can get at Dollar Tree, and if you want to leave your project like this, that's fine. I decided to add these pops of white color. I don't know the name of this type of foliage, but I like it, so I'm going to stick all of this together. Once this arrangement looks full of flowers and foliage and I like how it looks, I'm going to stick that on my sign, and I'm just going to add a little bit amount hot glue on the ribbon, and then I'm going to stick it on my sign. Then I make a small bow using this ribbon that I have at home, and I'm pretty sure this is or from Dollar Tree or Walmart like 2 years ago, and I'm going to stick that bow on that side. And then guys, I think this sign needs something else, so I'm going to grab one of these wooden laser cut pieces, and I think it's perfect for this project, but I want to add something on the back, so I'm going to use this piece of cork that I just have at home, and I'm basically going to stick the home sign on these using hot glue, and then I'm gonna be able to stick that cork piece on my sign using again hot glue, and I'm gonna try to put it on the middle of my sign. And guys, once I was done, this is how the project turned out. I think it's a beautiful high-end decor piece or wreath that you can use for your home for this fall season. I think it's a nice pop of color for any space, and I hope that you like it, that you can get some ideas on things that you can do and start preparing maybe for fall. I'm so excited for all of the new projects and things that are coming on this channel, so hopefully to see you soon on the next videos that I'm posting. Make sure that you like this video, that you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my future videos. And guys, thank you so much for the love and support, and see you on the next one. Mwah. Goodbye.